Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by removing surface oil and dead skin. This helps later tools reach pockmarks. First, wash with a pH-balanced cleanser and pat dry. Next, apply a chemical exfoliant, 10% AHA or 2% BA, thinly and evenly. This softens scar edges so treatments penetrate. Once done, wait the recommended 10-15 minutes before continuing. Make sure to patch test 24 hours beforehand to reduce reaction risk. If you feel burning, rinse immediately and reassess concentration versus skin tolerance. You now stimulate collagen, microneedling at 0.5 to 1. 5 mm encourages remodeling of pockmarks. Work methodically, sterilize the device, stretch skin, and make 1-2 perpendicular passes. That pattern improves uniformity. Once done, apply a soothing serum with hyaluronic acid, then switch to a 2% retinoid at night to accelerate cell turnover. During the day, use vitamin C and SPF. Make sure to space sessions 4-6 weeks apart so you can evaluate progress and avoid overtreatment. You finish by sealing progress and protecting results. After healing, always use SPF 30 plus broad spectrum. Reapply every 2 hours if outdoors because UV worsens scars. If you notice prolonged redness, significant crusting, or worsening texture beyond 1 week, stop active products and seek professional assessment. This could signal infection or overexfoliation. For deep pockmarks that don't respond, consider in-office options, laser resurfacing, subcision, or TCA cross, because they target deeper tissue remodeling with control.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.